Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to delve into a rather surprising fact about our nation's transportation infrastructure. We'll discuss the concerns around the allocation of funds, the worsening road conditions, and how intelligent maintenance can change the game. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team looking for insights, this video is for you. Stay tuned to uncover how we can save money, increase safety, and prevent catastrophic events through smarter road maintenance. Did you know that the government spends only 43% of its transportation infrastructure budget on maintaining more than 98% of our country's roads? It's a surprising fact, but between 2004 and 2008, the remaining 57% of the budget was allocated towards new road construction. So what's the problem with this division of funds? Well, a study called Repair Priorities 2019, conducted by Transportation for America and Taxpayers for Common Sense, found that the percentage of U.S. roads in poor condition has increased from 14 to 20% over the last decade. Moreover, 37 states reported a worsening in road conditions during that period. States have the flexibility to decide how they spend federal transportation funds. Unfortunately, many are choosing new construction over maintenance and repair of current roads. This is a concerning trend because new construction costs governments more than routine repairs. In fact, every mile of new road costs $24,000 per year to maintain. This means that new construction is ultimately adding to the maintenance deficit. Now, let's talk about the benefits of smart road maintenance. When government entities invest in preventive maintenance, they can reduce costs, improve safety, and prevent catastrophic events. By collaborating with professionals in the civil engineering and financial fields, government officials can determine best practices. They can analyze historic data on road usage, weather conditions, and lifespan of roads. This data then informs decisions on which maintenance tasks will be more cost-effective. Let's take city maintenance efforts as an example. These efforts include caring for local roadways. Many cities have implemented effective preventive maintenance programs by using a CMMS, or computerized maintenance management system. Poor road conditions can contribute to crashes as well as vehicle damage. By keeping roads in good repair, we can increase the safety of our citizens. The longer we ignore road, highway, and bridge maintenance, the more likely a catastrophic event will occur. Therefore, preventing future incidents should be our top priority to protect public safety. In conclusion, it's clear that smart road maintenance is not just about keeping our roads in good condition. It's about saving money, ensuring safety, and preventing catastrophic events. So, let's prioritize maintenance and make our roads better for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of smart road maintenance, the allocation of funds, and how preventive measures can save money, increase safety, and prevent catastrophic events. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For additional resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Let's work together to make our roads safer and more efficient.